Hello everyone. Thank you for your interest in Netiquette's inventory management system. Our Netiquette software is cloud-based system, which means you can access anytime and anywhere. In this video, I will use a supermarket and distribution data environment to show you on how can it be applied to your own individual needs. Why supermarket? It is because everyone go to supermarket at least once in their lifetime and has the widest varieties of goods and services that everyone can relate. In this demonstration video, we will divide into two videos. You can jump to the part you wanted to know. In these two videos, you will learn about 11 features of our system. So let me begin demonstrate to you on the system now. Do feel free to contact us for a meeting to discuss your needs, as we all believe all businesses have their own sets of challenges and needs. Our solutions can cater to a wide needs of product-based businesses. Let's begin by entering your user ID, password, and company ID on the main login page. In this main page, you will be looking at the entire menu. It is made out of 6 key tabs that we will be showing in this demonstration. Under the maintenance here, you will see we have customer profile, supplier profile, product profile, and service profile. When you are inside the customer profile page, you will be able to manage all your customer records such as their full company name, address, contact, and credit term. Example, if you would insert area of business where it could be based on industry, electronic, medical, automotive, location KL, Malacca, Johor Bahru, or anything that you can think of, we will be able to generate the sales performance report based on customers' area of business. We will skip on the supplier profile as it is similar to customer profile, so let us skip the boring stuff and move on to more exciting stuff now. This is the most critical aspect of the entire inventory, but due to the complexity and it may bore you to sleep, I will demonstrate the most commonly used feature within our system. The details of report generated from our system will be based on the details that you set up in this space, so do pay some special attention here and find out about its capabilities. Let me bring your attention to the button on the top right as shown in the screen. This screen will project the profile of the product listing, and you can modify to display the column of data to suit your needs. Let us click on one of the product and show you the amount of details that you can store inside the system. The item code will be used as a primary product identifier and also a barcode. You may also notice that there are product code and barcode inside the screen, as they will be used to store supplier's barcode or product ID. We have two lines of product description that you can use, and it will display inside the billing, such as quotation, sales order, delivery order, invoice, and many more. Comment box is a freestyle box, but will not display in our system format as it may mess up the display. But we can definitely customize the bill format to your company are used to. In the item image fields, you may want to upload the thumbnail size image of your product so it can be printed out on the quotation if needed or displayed on the post screen. And yes, you heard it right. We do have built-in capabilities for you to manage your own cash sales counter. We will also allow you to store products' technical specification or brochure in the system by uploading the documents. However, due to the data storage, we only allow up to 300 KB of file size. But don't worry, we are able to integrate with major file storage companies like Dropbox, Google Drive, and many more via API to handle larger file size. Let me bring your attention to the first 7 fields location on right of the screen. The name of the fields can be changed to suit your own business needs. You do not need to use up all the 7 different category and grouping. Just based on your individual reporting needs and set it up. Why this is very important? Most of our reports generated in system will allow you to filter by certain group and categories. It will generate data when you want to narrow to one specific product group. For example, I can generate sales performance of the baby product or toy section, then I will know which one generate higher revenue for my business. Now, we skip to the serial number. By clicking on this option for this product, the system will prompt you to select or enter the serial number of the item that you have purchased or sold. A good example would be a Bluetooth headset, which usually come with a warranty for 1 year or so. In order for you to track when this item is sold to the customer before deciding if the item are actually under warranty or not, you can use this feature to keep track. Moving forward to the reorder minimum, maximum, and quantity bring forward, what it does here is that reorder. If you enter a numeric figure, system will generate and reorder advice based on the reorder quantity that you had entered. However, if you want to place an order based on the demand from sales orders, you should leave these fields blank. Minimum. This number here will tell the system when to trigger the reorder when the inventory level falls to a certain level. This will ensure that your product's inventory level remain optimal of business operations and meet your customers' demand. Maximum. This is a ceiling number that you do not wish to hit and can put a cap on the maximum number of inventory for your business. Quantity bring forward. You can key in the opening inventory balance here or import it by using the Excel template that you can download from our system. In the unit information, this is where we set the individual pricing for product and also the unit of measurement. You can set up to 6 different pricing for this product, and system will be smart to pick up which price category based on customer profile. And you can also set a minimum selling price to prevent any user to sell below certain amount. We are also able to define the various packing version that you would want for your business. Like you may want to sell individual, carton, 12 unit to 1 carton, or pack, 6 unit to 1 pack, or many more. Pricing can also be set based on each of the UOM defined. You can also set the selling price based on different foreign currency. But you can also set the individual pricing for different customer as well. It is called recommended selling price. There are 4 different views as shown in the screen. In the customer perspective, you can look at all the product pricing under this customer, or you can also look at the individual pricing that we give to customer under one particular product. As you can see that you can preset pricing to the foreign currency, price, discount up to 3 level, and one more special important little feature. In the electronic component industry, it is very common that they need to indicate the customer product code in their invoice. Therefore, when you enter the customer's product code in the notes, we will be able to display customer's product code when you generate quotation, sales order, delivery order, or invoice. We are also able to maintain service profile and track reports on the services that your company provided. This is helpful when you have your own logistic and will want to know how many delivery you make per day for a supermarket environment. However, if your business doesn't charge based on the delivery order or related services, you can leave it blank. In the collection address profile, you can create multiple delivery address based on your customer business operation. Example, you may supply to Aeon all over in Malaysia. You can use this profile to set which outlet that you may want to deliver goods to. For command profile, there are various uses in this command. You can use it for store, delivery command, or product standard information to display on the billing. In the location profile, you can set up different warehouse based on your business needs, warehouse network, consignment, or reserve stock for online sales to allow e-commerce to check if there is enough quantity to fulfill the order. Let us move our attention to BOM, Bill of Material. Here you can assemble your raw material product into a finished good. For example, we have different products in Chinese New Year hamper. Then you can come here and add the product you need into this BOM. You can also choose the hamper directly in your transaction. Our system will automatically deduct your raw material products from the stock card. You can also generate your cost here. Choose your finished good and submit it. On another page, you will see item number, material, quantity required, cost, and total cost. Now we will show you the flow of our transaction in our system. There are 2 major sections, which is purchase and sales section in the system to perform your business. And due to the system automation, you will not need to key in the same order from quotation, to sales order, to delivery order or invoice. Simply said, you can skip the step based on your business needs. Let us start from quotation level. And on the main page, you will be able to see the entire list of quotations that you had generated, and you'll be able to create, edit, print, and delete. If you move your attention to the top menu bar, you will see update to sales order, update to delivery order, update to invoice, update to purchase order, and update to cash sales. In a sales order, the purpose of sales order is to help you to capture orders from customer that they are confirmed by customer. It is similar to quotation, except that customers are committed to purchase from you. By updating to sales order, you can keep track of all the pending orders that you will need to fulfill. At this stage, the inventory do not get deducted. In the delivery order, you will update to this session whereby you are delivering the orders to the customer but do not want to display the price. Most delivery order in the market does not display the price as they do not want the people in logistic or warehouse to know what is their actual cost. Other than that, delivery order and invoice are basically the same. If you are able to fulfill the order directly and no need to hide the price from your warehouse or logistic people, you may want to skip the other two steps as well and update to invoice or cash sales. Now you may ask why there is update to purchase order. This is because there are some businesses that provide back-to-back order and delivery. It will mean that they will only place an order with supplier only after customer had confirmed the deal. When you use the update function, you allow the system to know which transactions are related and able to help you to keep track of the history. I will show you later on an outstanding inquiry, as now I will provide you a demonstration. Create a new quotation here, and then you can select the date and customer here. After you select a customer, our system will automatically fill in the billing address for you based on the address you set in the customer profile. If your billing address
假如
is
你
same
的
as the
billing
delivery
address 和 delivery
you can
address 一
directly
样，你
press
就可以
click.
直接按
If
click。
it is different,
假如
you
不
can
一
fill
样，
it in
你
here
可以
or
在这
click
里
in the
选择
address
填
profile,
写，或者在
and you
address
can create
profile
a
里面
new
click 进
address
去。
so that you
你
don't
可以
need to
create 一
re-enter
个
it
新的
next time.
address， 以便你下次需要的时候不需要再重新输入。然后
Then
按这
press
里的
select
select
here.
就可以了。
Press next and
然
you
后
will
再
see
按
this
next， 你
page.
就会进到这个页面。在这里
Here
你
you
可以
can
选择
choose
agent。
job, and project, then press create. Next, you will enter this page. You can click this to select your item. Choose your item. For example, laptop. Where you can select location. Add comment. Edit quantity. And then press next. It will be here. Next, I'm adding a few items. Such as lip balms, here you can choose your batch. For example, different batches have different expired dates. And you can also see the quantity in your hand. Then you can add the different items. After adding the items, you may need to press accept and preview. You can choose email or not email this quotation. Then you can go back to your quotation and you will see the quotation we just created. Now I'm going to update this quotation to sales order. After pressing this update to sales order, you can choose the quotation you want to update here, where you can choose the date and then tick, and press submit to complete the update to our sales order. Go to our sales order. You can see the transaction here from the quotation update just now. Now I'm going to update it to delivery order. After select the sales order you want to update, you can see the details of your item here. Then click submit. Here you can see the quantity order and quantity on hand. You can change your quantity to fulfill. After you press submit, if your item has serial number, this page will appear for you to add your serial number. And then now I update it to our invoice. From here, you can see our comment appear here, which is our default billing format. If you have your own format, you can also let us know. We can customize according to your needs. Now let me introduce inquiries. Next, I will introduce the features here to you. History price inquiry. Here you can see your price history by customer, supplier, and item. Under customer, you can also see item last price. Under the customer last price, you can see the customer number, description, price, quantity, last price, and date. And here is the second quantity, last price, and date. Under the item transacted price, you can see the date, type, reference number, description, quantity, UOM, price, amount, and discount. Under by item, you can see customer or supplier transacted price and supplier last price. I will explain to you the customer transacted price. From here, you can see your item, customer, quantity, currency, price, amount, and discount. I will skip the supplier transacted price as it is similar to customer transacted price. Now is our supplier last price. You can see the supplier item number, product description, customer name, currency, quantity, last price, and second quantity last price. Under our outstanding report, you can see your inventory outstanding report of your quotation, delivery order, purchase order, and sales order. You can also watch the inventory forecast here. Here you can also choose the specific report you want, such as specifying customer, supplier, job, or project. In outstanding delivery order, you can see the outstanding reference number, customer, and their order item. On our right are the outstanding quantity, price, and amount. Also in outstanding purchase order, you can see outstanding reference number, supplier, and order item. Here you can see the goods you order, the goods you receive, and the outstanding goods. In the inventory forecast, this is group, product code, description, purchase order, sales order, and on hand. Here you can also click into this view detail to see the transaction. Next is our inventory balance check. You can see we have bill summary report, stock balance, and location stock balance. In the bill summary report, you can choose which customer, supplier, project, and under the report format, you can choose the report you wanted to see. For example, purchase, receipt, and invoice. Under bill summary report, you can see reference number, customer number, item, quantity, foreign price, and created by which user. You may also click the reference number here to see the transaction detail. In this page, you can also print out your bill or save as PDF file. Under the stock balance, you can choose the product you wanted to see and click HTML. In this page, you will see item number, name, category, group, on hand, and price. You may click into the quantity on hand to see details. From here, you can have full vision of product transaction like date, reference number, description, stock in and out, balance, cost price, selling price, and amount. Under the location stock balance, you can choose the certain product and location that you wish to see. For example, Kuala Lumpur. From here, you can only see KL stock balance. You can see the item number, product name, location, category, on hand, and price. Same goes to stock balance. You can click into the on hand to see the stock card details.